If you love making money on Binance, the next 5 minutes, you're going to love. Let's get into it. So Binance has their launch pools, and they have some massive coins on it from Nutcoin, Sai, Su, Athena, Beam, X, some pretty solid choices. And these are the top Binance launch pool tokens by market cap. So let's go over each of these because these are some hidden gems that you might not have known about. So let's get into them. So Nutcoin is the new kid on the block. It's it's a token that is on the TON blockchain, and it's by Telegram. And they've had this insane run up in the last month, going from 0.01 all the way up to 3 cents. So easy 3x. Now it's been hanging out around 2 cents or so, and you can't really see here. Let me move that sucker up. But as you can see, it is quite the run up, and it is backed by Telegram. So you know it is a solid project, and you're not going to get rugged. Next up, we have C and Su, I think it is. They are pretty much the same. I feel like they're layer 1 blockchains with their own layer 1. Pretty faster than all of the other blockchains. This Sui is insane as far as how fast it goes versus Sai or C. It has only 12,000 versus 297,000. So it's about a 10-20x in speed, but time to finalize is a little bit faster in milliseconds versus 400 milliseconds. They are doing about 1.6 billion transactions. Then Su or Sui is getting up there. They're at 70 million. So both are tackling the blockchain speed problem so that it could be used for the internet in a scale. So that is 2 blockchains that are tackling the same problem. Su definitely being a more general purpose, gaming, NFTs, Internet of Things, that sort of thing, while the good old I is more looking for DeFi, trading, really just looking for exchanges and financing. Both similar spaces, but different niches, that's for sure. Next on the list is Beam, and they've had quite the run-up in the last year. Only been around for 6 months, but they are a blockchain focused on gaming, and they really want to, be the #1 blockchain. For that, as you can see, they have their companion app, the hub for everything one gaming, their native marketplace, their swap, notes, and their bridge. So you can bridge over your crypto to the Beam blockchain and use your crypto there. The Beam blockchain does have about $4 million in total value locked. As you can see, it had this insane run up. It kind of leveled off. It had this huge crash, it looks like. I don't know what happened there. And then an insane pump, and slowly has been draining off. They do have 2 DEXs, so 2 different blockchains, or not really blockchains, but protocols on the blockchain. Beam Swap being 4 million and Inferno Swap being $1,500, or really 15,000. And if we look at some of their games, you can see that you can earn some sweet XP. But they have quite a bit of games, Heroes of Mava, Trial Extreme Freedom, Forgotten Playground, and Armor X. And you can win some sweet rewards with their partners from Armor X. So pretty sweet. So definitely check out this blockchain for gaming, because it is gaming, and who doesn't love making some money while you game? And finally on the list, that leaves us Athena, which is a newcomer to the space. This one looks pretty insane because it is focused on the SUSDE, which is a synthetic dollar, and you can get some internet native yield at 17%, which is pretty insane for a stablecoin. So I can't wait to learn more about unlocking for early access. I definitely want to get my own code because, I mean, look at these huge partners. So, you know, and they are in the top 100. So they are definitely a player, but they've only been around for a few months, which is pretty insane. So definitely looking at this project on my horizon. And they have some insane strategies that they're trying to use in order to do this. So I'm very excited to see what this project does, how it actually works, and that they're testing some things that could be interesting. Though that's Luna and a few other projects with algorithmic, well, however you say it, stable coins ended in disaster. And so they are trying something new, and I applaud them for that. And so I'm very excited to see what this product does. Even though it's a new product, I definitely see the opportunity when you can get in early and make some sweet yields. So definitely check out how this project works. It's very exciting to see the insane gains and the arbitrage field plays that they're playing. So it's a win for me. So let me know what you guys think down below. Are you guys going to get into one of these Binance tokens that are separate from Binance, but are on their launch pools to gain even more money? Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite project is, and I'll leave mine in the comments down below. I'll see you guys on the next one.